Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Monday. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Whoa, zoomed in that much. Market opening in about 17 minutes. Displays. I want to make the other one the main display. Whoa. What is going on here? What is going on? It's super bright. It's like not bright at all. I can never get that thing to just be consistent with the brightness. But, you know, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? What you gonna 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 do? Wanna share my screen? Yeah. What? Yeah. Got the 2-minute chart pulled up here, 15-minute chart pulled up here. Nasdaq trading at 412, view out 435. Got a pivot point up here at the 444s and one at the 359s. Oh yes. Market opening in about 15 minutes here. If you look at the 2-minute chart overnight here, it looks like the market kind of pulled back down into this 343 range. It was previous support back here on Thursday. Kind of bounced back up. Now it's been heading back on up. Market closed on Friday, so we got the gap fill here. Market closed. Short. Up here at the 483 area. So we do got that gap fill at 483. Got a pivot point at 444. So we'll see what happens at open here. See what happens at the open here. It's Monday. We're doing it. Good morning, Apex. Monday, October 21st. Got the Nasdaq opening here in 13 minutes. Oh, we're going shades on. Might be going shades on. Yeah, VWAP at 435. Pivot point at 444, and the gap fill up at the 480s. Bless you. You can start closing above VWAP and above this pivot point. Maybe able to get the squeeze up to 480s.
It goes fast. It's nice, all right? It's a nice bike. It's a good bike. I'm gonna ride this bike to Chipotle. Look at that. That's a sick bike. Oh. Super 73 for the win. Amen. Yeah, sure.
Market opening in about 3 minutes. 3 minutes till market open. Market opening in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. All right, here we go. 20 seconds. Market's open for business. Doesn't mean we have to trade just because she's open now. Doesn't mean we got to trade just yet. We're going to be patient, look for our setups. Follow the rules. We got rules. Follow the rules. Well, if you would have got long at open, you'd have been making some money. Up to the 60s now, up 30 points. 30 points in 1 minute. 30. But, that's, just going to get along. Back below VWAP, below the pivot now again. Just straight up and right back down. Ooh. Oh shit. Remember, stop. Oh, there's grabbing some profit there. Let's get it, baby. Still going. There we go. Little win right there. Wish I would have sized into that a little bit better, but wish I would have managed that trade a little bit because we got in at 54 and I sold 967. Probably should have held that to like 74, which would have been up here. Could have added in too once we started getting this break up here. But that's all right. It's all good. Could have managed that better. That would have been sweet. Could have made it like $1,000 on that if we would have. I only did 10 contracts. I kind of sold that a little bit early. We're in the green. It was like a little 1-to-1. Little 1-to-1. Come on, let's pop out. Let's pop on out. Pop on out. All right, just grabbing a short little win there. Took another little scalp there. I don't know. I just didn't feel like it was breaking out really that strong. $85. All right, we got the 15-minute opening range here. 88.25. $422.75. There's our 15-minute range. There's our 15-minute range. We're above VWAP at the top of the range right now. Oh. just being patient. You know, we didn't grab as much profit as we wanted on that first trade, so we're just going to wait for another good setup. Honestly, we're just going to try to grab like another $400 on a trade and be done for the day. You just go grab 20 points real quick on 10 contracts. That'd be sweet. What a great morning so far. You know, usually we don't take trades but for that first 15 minutes, but that just set up too beautifully. My mentor kind of called it out a little bit. You know, we were kind of bullflagging right here. I mean, we were kind of bullflagging right here. We had the gap fill up here. Once we broke through like kind of the top of this wick, we got long. Probably could have let it push a little bit harder, but I wanted to take partials here. I wanted to get out here. You know, we got that trailing drawdown. You know, grab your profits. We could have scaled in, but you know, the account was below 50,000, so I wanted to start with 10 micros. You know, I didn't want to go too big and put too much size on the trade just because it was a trade we were taking before 15-minute opening range, which we usually don't do. And also, you know, I wanted to get the account over 50,000 again. So I didn't want to put too much on the trade. We grabbed to like a little 1-to-1 basically. Took another little scalp here. Probably could have stayed in that, you know, looking at the chart now, obviously, but because I got in at the 77s, market pushed up to 92. So not quite 20 points, but, you know, could have maybe grabbed another little 1-to-1 there. It did draw down from 77 to 67. That was 10 points. But, yeah, we're just going to be patient, wait. Kind of at the top of the 15-minute range. It closed above the range, but now it's kind of pushing back down a little bit. Maybe if we can get above that 92 area. Maybe need another pullback into the 21 EMA first before the pop up and out, which would. And then we got another pivot point up there at the 568s. Getting that pullback now. Getting that nice pullback. It's kind of what we're looking for. Kind of like something like this. Get above this 90 area again. Maybe we'll get the pop out. Had a couple nice waves though, you know, already. Wave. Maybe we get another kind of push on up and out. Maybe we get another push on up and out. Maybe we get one more push on up and out. Get above this 90 area. Oh. Well, there's that breakout right there. Damn, he got long at 84. Too late now. We missed it, so we're not going to get in now. We're not going to get in now. So what I say, if it broke out above that wick, probably the 490s might push up. We pushed up to 501, so about 10 points there. 10 points. Another 10 points would be the 510s. But if you missed it, don't jump in now. Now we got to wait for another setup. Maybe when it broke above this candle, it's 85 area. I kind of wanted to wait until the top out to here, maybe 89 area. Only pushed up to 502. Well, we've had like 3 waves here. Jumped in on 2. 1, 2, 3. Four minutes till to 10 a.m. Go get some water. Some more water. Is that funny? Oh man. Go lay down, bud. Go lay down. Go lay down, dude. Go lay down. Oh my goodness. The dog's just staring at me. Like, you gonna take a trade? You gonna take a trade? We're just waiting for our setup again. We're kind of wick, kind of running into resistance up here at the top at this 500 area. Really got to push on up and out, and then probably bull flag. So it's just kind of consolidating a little bit before the push, maybe. Go lay down, boy. Go lay down. There's the push up on and out a little bit up to the 510s. There's kind of this area right here too.
Real life.
It's just kind of pushing straight up. We're not really getting a bull flag here. We kind of need like a little pullback before we can get in. Kind of need a pullback here. We don't want it to just start shooting straight up. We don't want it to start just shooting straight up. And FOMO into that. Ooh. Here's kind of the rally base rally. Got that next pivot up there at 568. Pushing through yesterday's high now. I don't know. We got 2 wins. They weren't big wins, like kind of messed up a little bit. And I'm almost like, do we just call it a day, like, or do we try to get some more? Because the overall amount of profit on the day is not that much. Got to see a really good setup for another trade. There's another bullish fair value gap. See if we can get a nice pullback here for a good entry. Oh my god. Keeps going. Just keeps going. Can't really do much about that. Need a pullback before we think about getting long. We kind of already had 3 nice waves. This one was a quick one. In and out. Let's see if we can get a pullback here. Here comes the song. Oops. We're at 2 trades for the day, guys. 2 wins. Save to that money. You don't need to go to college. Kind of need to pull back to the 21 EMA. I just kind of, I mean, it could be another rally, base, rally again, but we want to see it kind of pull back to this 21 EMA, you know, get back to this like 510s area before maybe pushing back up again more. There we go. There's our pullback. What did I just say? Down to this 510 area. It came exactly down to there. It's kind of what we needed to see there. It's kind of what we needed to see there. A little pullback down to the 21 EMA, exactly there at the 507s. Kind of broke out on the bull flag there, but I don't know. Ooh. Too late to get in now. Too late to get in now. Would have probably been targeting like up here. It's like 555 area. But there it is. Well, missed it. No getting in on that one either. There's the bull flag breakout if we were going to get a third one for today, but no, we didn't take it. You know, I almost had my finger on the trigger around here for a long. You know, it's just like 530 area. To the 550s. That'd have been done for the day. But too late now. Too late now. There's a nice another little bull flag there on the 1 minute and the 2 minute there, but we didn't take it. Oh, I should have taken that 10-point stop loss, 20-point. You know, we would have been targeting 20 points with 10 micro contracts. Would have made our 400 something bucks there, which would have put us at over $700 on the day. But it's all good. Pushing up to that pivot up there at the 568s. Had a nice kind of pullback here, and then this candle closed here. This candle pulled back a little bit and then started pushing. Once we broke through this 530 area, like that should have been green light to go long right there. There's the green light. We would have. I don't know. It is what it is. Yeah, he did. He got long at 27. Getting a nice, nice possible another pullback here for a bull flag, maybe one more time. Pull back down to the 21 EMA above this 43 area. Oh. All right, so I'm in this weird spot right now where it's like I had 2 winning trades here that we could have taken that we didn't pull the trigger on, and we would have been done. And now I'm like, and it's like sometimes that's when you need to just be done for the day. So especially the market kind of pulling back now. We just put in a lower low, so we might be getting a reversal here. I don't know, but I don't like this. 361 bucks, but you know. We kind of mismanaged this trade just a little bit. Like we could have squeezed more profits out essentially. Like could have, I don't know. I just wanted to take profit, and this one was weird though. Only 85 bucks. And then this is the one I wanted to get in on, and I was ready for it. I was kind of watching it for him, and we just didn't pull the trigger. As you can see, the market's kind of pulling back a little bit now. Counts at 50,270 bucks now. We had a red day Thursday and Friday, so we're back in the green. 2 wins. We usually only take 2 to 3 trades a day anyway. We got 2 wins. It's like, yeah, they weren't big wins, but they were, there's no going back and changing that. So they're just 2 wins. So maybe we just kind of end it for the day. We're coming up at the 10:30 time now, East Coast. We had the bull flag to the gap fill earlier. We didn't scale in. We left it at 10 micro contracts. There we go. There's our pullback. So a good thing we weren't That's why I wasn't thinking about getting long anymore. Just dipped back down into the 15-minute opening range here for a low of 477. 21 EMA is kind of starting to bend down now. Multiple waves, though. 4 waves. We caught 2 of them. Missed that one, but we took these early in the day. This one we got in at 8:35. 5 minutes after the market was open. The biggest one. Getting the gap fill early, getting it out of the way with real quick. Coming back down, beautiful pullback to the 21 EMA almost. Broke out again, pulled back down, broke out again, pulled back down, broke out again, pulled back. Like this is why we say the market moves in waves. If you can't see those waves, if you can't see that the market is literally just doing this, there's your first wave. There's a wave. There's a wave. There's a wave. Like that's what it's doing. It moves in waves. There's the waves. Look. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So overall, where's the market moving to this morning? That way. That way. So we're looking for longs. Don't fight the trend. We're looking for longs, you know? Get in long here. Get in long here. Get in long here. You know, get in long here. That's all. That's all it is, man. Easy peasy. And squeezy. Easy peasy. I wish there was just like a back button to delete your drawings. There probably is. We're almost done. You want to go for a walk? I think we just got to look at the fact that we had 4 waves. We only throw 2 of them. We won and just be done for the day. I kind of like that. Instead of focusing on like, oh, I didn't hit exactly how much money I'd like to make and I could have made more. You know, what are you going to focus on? Because attention is alignment. What are you going to put your attention on? And your thoughts and beliefs like dictate your future. Because if we put our attention on, oh, we could have made more money and I wish I would have made more and let's try to do it and make it happen. There's a good possibility that you might get smacked and not make more money and start losing money. And right, so I think what's important is to focus on the fact that we had 2 wins from having a tough end of the week last week. We're back in the green, and we made money. We feel good. And then you close it down and you do it again tomorrow. You feel good throughout the rest of the day too because you had a green day. Did we get our $600-700 winning day? No, but don't focus on that. We had 2 green trades. All right, guys, we're gonna end it here. Happy Monday. Nice green day. Peace and love. I'll see y'all on the next one tomorrow for Tuesday. Later.